Hello guys, in this video I will show you how easy it is to restore a partition on a disk using Handy Backup. Now I am copying the test file to the partition that we will back up. Start the program. To work with the disk it must be run with administrator. We select the plugin we need. This is the disk image. Inside the plugin, select the desired disk and look for the desired section in which the files we need are located. Also need to choose the location where the backup will be saved. Skip the detailed settings. Let's remove the data for clarity. For recovery, we need that no programs interact with the disk, otherwise we will get a recovery error. Find our task and select the backup file. We will also make sure that we restore where we need. Everything turned out to be restored. Thanks for watching. I hope everything works out for you too.